Dear friends, well, the XRP case might already be over in 72 hours. We will talk about this today. We'll also talk about what the next 12 months will bring for XRP. We will also talk about how the European Central Bank is trying to make a payment system based on blockchain. And of course, it will do this with the help of Ripple. At the same time, Bitcoin maximalists are furious, as many polls show that XRP is currently the winner. In fact, many buyers are now more likely to put their money into XRP than Bitcoin. I'll tell you why today. At the moment, people don't feel strongly about or against the coin market. The market has not yet come out of the downturn that is still going on. People in the market are still following a plan to buy more, average out their losses, and wait for the next growth phase. I think we can go up even more because the full bullish cycle isn't over yet, and many other players agree. What about XRP? I want to tell you that the video's information is also on the Telegram channel, and it's often much earlier, so you can sign up to get information when they happen. We can see that Bitcoin's share of the cryptocurrency market as a whole is growing once again, topping 60% growth. And if its growth don't sky, aren't shining, and there isn't much growth either, but there are some signs that it's time to buy. For example, we can see that some altcoins like DOT have come back to test their lows again and are now starting to rise again. DOT's movement since 2022 has followed a similar pattern. This means that a big player is likely to be accumulating, which could be a good time to buy. Reached in 2022, 2023, or even now, we've seen a pattern like this before with XRP, which led to it breaking out and hitting a new all-time high of $3.40. From a long-term point of view, I think this is not the end. For people who trade on speculation, the picture is not clear right now. XRP can be bought and sold for anywhere from $2.76 to 56 cents. This band is still being followed, and the price is trying to break above the 50-day moving average on a daily basis. Well, it hasn't worked yet, which means that buyer strength is pretty much zero right now. There aren't any strong signs yet that an upward movement is about to happen. On the other hand, XRP is making a hammer pattern on a weekly scale. It's possible that the price will go up to $2.90. If we break above $2.90, we could think about speculative long bets and breakout trades. There are reports that the XRP case could be over in 72 hours. This is because the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is having a meeting that is closed to the public. Meetings like this don't happen very often, but about once a month they do. This meeting could have an effect on XRP, Litecoin, and other possible ETFs for cryptocurrencies. We'll see what happens. In the big picture, 2025 and 2026 should be great years for XRP and Litecoin. There are still 6 to 12 months of growth ahead, which makes now a great time to buy. It is also clear what will happen with Litecoin. Even though it broke up, the price is still around $130. This is a good chance for people who missed it the first time. If XRP has been building up for 6 to 7 years, another 6 or 12 months won't make a difference. Analysts say that people should be patient because possible dips could be followed by a big breakout. These are the goals for XRP, $25 and $48. There's no big deal in waiting a year, since a lot of people have already been waiting for 7 years. Another important thing to know is that the European Central Bank wants to make a payment system based on blockchain. Good news for RLSD and XRP. This has been planned since 2022, and I even shared official papers in my Telegram channel that prove they are moving toward adding blockchain technology. There will also be digital currencies and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, supported by the central bank. This is now going to happen. People who don't like XRP or like Bitcoin too much have also been deleting comments, especially when XRP wins. Polls asking people where they would put their money in XRP, Bitcoin, Solana, or USD see XRP win a lot of the time. But don't forget to give Bitcoin its proper credit. It's not always a bad thing to be a Bitcoin maximalist, but it's important to vary. It's risky to hold only one coin. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket and then having to drop it. Analysts say that the recent change in the market was just a bear trap and that XRP is about to grow a lot, maybe even to $5.86. Also, the SEC has dropped its appeal about broker-dealer rules, which shows that the way regulations are handled has changed under the new leadership. The case between Ripple and the SEC might end if there is a new set of rules for cryptocurrencies. This is a big change because the SEC has changed its mind about crypto and defying the law, which became clear yesterday. This is something I wrote about in my Telegram group too. Experts say that a price goal of $10,000 for XRP is not crazy, but rather a low estimate. Predictions like these are also being covered by the news. Many people, though, say we should aim for $10 or $100 first and then $10,000. I totally agree with this point of view. Ripple XRP is also the first virtual currency to work with FedNow, the real-time payment system run by the Federal Reserve. Aside from that, XRP is the most traded coin on South Korean exchanges, with $2 billion worth of trades. I had previously said in my Telegram channel that trade volumes for XRP were going through the roof because people were hoping that an ETF would be approved. This is important and shouldn't be ignored. What else could be said in the end? At the moment, the market is not moving. There have been no big breaks out of established trading ranges. We need to wait now. When different altcoins break out of their trade ranges, the market will become more volatile and have a clear direction. If, say, XRP breaks out of the $2.76 to $2.56 level, we'll have a better idea of what it will do next. Even though the prices of most coins have dropped a lot, I think they are starting to rise again. As an example, DOT is a clear case of something that could come back. It has dropped a lot and is showing a lot of volume at these levels, which means it is back to how it was before it was pumped. A lot of cryptocurrencies show this trend. What should you do now? Buy what you haven't yet, average it in, and save what you have? It's clear that you are holding for better prices if you didn't sell DOT at $10 just to speculate. I think this is the right way to go because DOT has a lot of promise. This plan is simple and easy to understand. That's all I have to say for now. Here are some crypto facts. Have a nice trip.